In this video, I will show you how to quickly change your Google TV screensaver without any stress. Let me show you how. Currently, I'm using Great Artwork as a screensaver on Google TV. You can switch from this type of screensaver to another one with a simple settings. So for that, go ahead and make sure you navigate to the Home tab on your Google TV. So from your Home tab right here, you want to make sure you look for screensaver. If you cannot see screensaver right here, navigate to settings, click on quick settings, and then you want to make sure you come down below right here, slide to screensaver right here, click on screensaver, then it's going to take you right here. Now once you get here, this is where you can switch from one screensaver to another one in your Google TV without any stress. So for that, just slide down. Then once you slide down, you have different options. You have Google Photo as your screensaver, which allow you to use your photo from your personal Google Photo account as a screensaver on your Google TV. It will be displayed one after the other. Other one here is Art Gallery. So as at the time of making this video, I'm using Art Gallery. You can navigate to custom. This is for custom AI art right here. So you can simply navigate to the settings right here, which allow you to do the settings based on the duration, as at the time, or based on the duration, and each proper different kind of settings can be done as far as screensaver is concerned on your Google TV. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Google TV settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.